For our first example here, we're looking at below. You can also find these examples on Blackboard on our notes. We're looking for how to substitute in the value that y is already equal to in for y in another equation. So our first step is to set one equation equal or as x equals or y equals. So you want to set your equation as x equals or y equals so we're able to replace the quantity that's in our parentheses that you see here with our y. So y equals 2x minus 1. Then I replace the 2x minus 1 in for the y. So that would become 3x plus 2 times 2x minus 1 equals 26. We're able to do this because y is equal to 2x minus 1, so we're substituting it in. Just like a substitute is equal when they come into your classroom and take the place of your teacher. So step 2 was plug in the expression x equals or y equals into the other equation. So now if we look, we have a number outside our parentheses. So what would make sense is to distribute that number. 3x plus 4x minus 2 equals 26. Then we're going to combine our like terms. 3x plus 4x is 7x. Minus 2 equals 26. So our third step is to distribute and combine like terms. From here, we're just solving a two-step equation, isolating our variable using the opposite operation. So I would add 2 and add 2 to each side. It cancels over here. I drop my 7x down. 7x is equal to 28. And then I divide by 7 on each side. X equals 4. So our step 4 is to solve for x. But a solution for a system of equations always has an x and a y. So once I find my x and I have that part of the ordered pair solution, I'm going to plug it in my original equation to solve for y. Plug in x. So that would become y equals 2 times 4, my x value, minus 1. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So my solution is always an ordered pair, and it will be 4, 7. And that's your final answer there. So really, from this step down, we have done it all before, combining like terms and solving. The tricky part is plugging in the value of y for y in the other equation and solving from there. So step 4 we solved. Step 5, if you write one, would be plug in the x to solve for y.